Yeah, no, my comrade, mina i-discussion yenu noma ngingena late, comrade. Perhaps mhlambe seniyivalile. I-interested, comrade. Uh, I may agree with other sentiments zamasosha ukuthi you don't open a vacuum. Politics doesn't want there must be a vacuum. Because if there's a vacuum, somebody will close that vacuum. That is the first one. But la mina ngiyibona khona ukuthi amasosha awakhuluma iqiniso, ama-veterans akakhuluma iqiniso, ama-comrade. At all. And I agree with you, Raman. Ukuthi in the previous structures, amasosha bekhona. Uma bethi ku-chair no-secretary kufuneka kube khona isosha, amasosha ebekhona kwi-structures, comrade, amasosha ebekhona. What was the contribution of amasosha, comrade? Silala sikhona amasosha ebekhona kwi-structure. Amasosha kufuneke uma esho leyo nto athi amasosha thina since simile sithi nayi into erongo makulungiswe lento. Nikisi, comrade. Nikisi, my leader, nikisi. Yikho into amasosha ke awonisha i-organization ngayo. Because these people are trained, comrade. Abafane nama-civilian. Mina kula ngibona khona ukuthi no, comrade, no. Amasosha alidile amasosha. But sikule simo esikuso. But amasosha were part of the structures. Will be correct, Makabani, ukuthi in these new structures ake kunikwe ama-civilian wodwa. Kubonakala ukuthi ama-civilian azowenzani. And Makabani, enye into, comrade, thina as i-Gauteng. When I'm saying Gauteng and this 5 region of Gauteng, comrade asenzanga kahle. Ama-comrade aselivumene iqiniso asilenzanga kahle, asenzanga kahle kwi-MKP. And some of us, comrade, in COJ, besingathuli, comrade. Besingathuli, besikhuluma. And futhi leyo nto esenzisa abanyama nambana in other leaders. Ukuthi COJ ikhuluma kakhulu, questiona yonke into i-COJ. This issue yokuthi maku-dissolve ama-structures, comrade, ayiqalanga today. And we may understand to those whom they were aggrieved with the structures. We may agree, comrade. Ukuthi okay, bekufanele, you know, in terms of the appointment, all of those things. But comrade, sesekhona kwi-structures. Ngisho noma ngabe ubaba wakho ekuthathela unkosikazi ungamfuni, kodwa ngendlela unkosikazi wakho aziphatha ngayo umthathelo ubaba wakho, u-end up umthanda ngebehavior yakhe ayenzayo kuwe nekhaya lakini, uma umbona ukuthi hayi lo nkosikazi uzimisela ukwakha leli khaya. So we must appoint, comrade, ukuthi iphutha nali lalikhona. I mean, comrade, I want to tell you the truth. Ne-national, comrade, we must say ukuthi yes, i-national iphutha layo likuphi iphutha le-national, because likhona ma-comrade. Those who knows imoto, abantu abanemoto, comrade, imoto yakho ingakuhlupha ikuhluphe, comrade, and ushintshe every part kwi-engine yemoto yakho. Faka iphathi ezintsha every time, faka iphathi ezintsha in your car. But if imoto yakho awukayidiagnose ukuthi njengoba ingena power nje, ingenawo amandla, what is the problem in this car? You will end up uyithengisa leyo moto yakho uthi iyabheda, ikudlela imali. But uthola ukuthi ayinamandla nje because of ama-injector in that car ablockile. Ayithatha umuntu imoto ayidiagnose, ashintshe ama-injector, imoto iqale phansi ibe ntsha. Because you change even yonke into kuleyo moto. So in national leadership, the problem of the national, it is not individually in the structures, specifically in Gauteng, comrade, in Johannesburg. Comrade, these structures, these regional structures, Amazon, they have a problem with regional structures because the regional structures doesn't deliver to zones and branches. That is a fact, comrade. That is a fact, my lead. Here, our region, our delivering nothing because they don't have power in terms of the resources. Kubuya liyanto ke Ramano yonkosikazi. Hotu baba wakho mekushadile nkosikazi. Ama-zone and branches, comrade, ngabe ba-enda bethi indeed lama-region ayasebenza. Lama-region ayasebenza. Besingakwazi ukudeliver, comrade, singalama-region. But ama-resources, comrade, ayangena kwi-province. Ama-resources ayangena. Into ekufuneka siyibuze, nengabe bekufuna ngabe siyibuzile, ukuthi njengoba umkhonto waqala, akhona ama-resources ayengena in this province. Lawo ma-resources ayinceda ngani i-organization, comrade? Nayi into ekufuneka siyibuze maqabane, singablame ama-zone, singablame ama-branches. We must blame i-province. We must blame i-province, comrade. We lose ama-by-election. Yeah. Uma ngabe ufuna imali, you will never get that money, comrade. Indeed, maqabane, sinawo ama-fundraisers in these structures. But these fundraisers, there was nothing into bebengayenza because there were no bank account, maqabane. There were no bank account, comrade. Ebezosebenza kanjani ama-structures region? Amazone bezothemba kanjani ukuthi ndithi sinabantu aba-capable because bayasinceda. Uma sikhala ngalokho bayasinceda. Eyothi iprovince ubuzothi makuthiwa kunesifo, bebejampa kakhulu. Makuthiwa hayi uneqabane elishonile, they will tell you ngama-100,000 abawaspendile. But the organization, they don't assist the organization. That is the source of the failure of this province, Maqabane. That is the failure of this province, comrade, and their regions. It's not about the individual, comrade. No. Sometimes ubuthi mawufika kwi-region ethile uthole amadoda nomama, they are capable. They are capable. But they are doomed because they cannot deliver. There is no resources. Iphutha, comrade, asingalosijikeleza siya lena le. Hayi asilosijikeleza ma comrade. I-province yethu ifail ama-region. That is my view, comrade. It is my observation as an individual. It is my view. So national, we are facing now this election, comrade. There is a trust team in these regions. But nationally, if izothatha nje ukuthi hayi bekubakwa nje